Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Discover on your email notification settings on your accounts on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on Industrialize here, click settings and privacy. Now click notifications, and here you will find email notifications. Click on it. As you see here, here you will find the Discover. Just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.